Okay, what we have here? An engine, I guess. So, I bought this engine cheap, $500. So what do you expect, right? So we got the engine unloaded, washed it with a degreaser. Then I was gonna do valves, and I did. Well, since I had the media, like a glass media, so I decided to use it and just did the whole motor basically around. Not the greatest job, is still kind of shady, but I went by quickly. And then I loaded the walnut shells and did the valves. What's next? I guess oil pan and check the rod bearings. Here, number 6 was okay, number 5 is bad. It's even spun. You can feel it with the finger here. This one is also pretty bad. The engine is in pieces now, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put it back. Well, we'll see. What did I find here? I haven't taken the block to a machine shop, but I did talk to them and show them pictures. So they say it's a corrosion, it's usual basically, they get these cars a lot. So it's a cause not changing the fluid, antifreeze. That corrosion gets into aluminum and between the gasket, and here you go. The cylinders looks fine to me, but we'll see. I'll take it to the machine shop and we'll see if we need a honing or not. Sorry for background noise, my truck is idling in the background. Piston skirt Teflon has a wear, but it's not that bad, they say. Camshafts has
dents here. Looks like something got in there. These rollers looks fine. Go ahead.
So I'll take the crankshaft to the shop. They're gonna polish and measure these parts right here. Because number 5 it's bad. I'll drop pictures in there, but it's bad. So this